times 0.74. Okay, on top we have how many digits we have after the decimal? 1. After here, how many digits we have? 1, 2. We have 2. 1 plus 2. Magic number is 3. So we go. We start here. First row. 4 times 2. 8. 4 times 4. 16. Carry 1. 4 times 8. 32 plus 1. 33. We start over. 7 times 2. 4. Carry 1. 7 times 4. 28 plus 1. 29. Carry 2. 7 times 8. 56 plus 2. 58. Remember, we put a 0 because that's the second row. So the third row is going to have 2 zeros. And we're going to start. We start over. So 0 times 2, 0. 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 8, 0. Okay. Add them up. 8, 10, 9 plus 4, 13. Carry 1, 8 plus 4, 12. Carry 1, 6. Magic number 3. So we start here. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 62.38. Next one. $77 times 0.25. Here, 0. How many digits here? 2. 0 plus 2, 2. So magic number is 2. Now we go. 5 times 7, 35. Carry 3. 5 times 7, 35 plus 3, 38. Second row, put a 0. Then we do 2 times 7. So we erase here. We do 2 times 7. 14. Carry 1. 2 times 7. 14 plus 1. 15. We start over. 2 zeros. Now we do 0 times 7. 0. 0 times 7. 0. Add them up. 5. 8 plus 4, 12. Carry 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 1. Magic number 2. 1, 2. Answer is 19.25. One more example and we're done. So we do 0.064 times 0.16. Okay. Magic number. Okay, so let's see. First number has 3. So we have 3. Second has 2. Magic number 5. We start. 6 times 4, 24 goes 2. 6 times 6, 36 plus 2, 38. 38, carry 3. 6 times 0, 0 plus 3, 3. 6 times 0, 0. Put a 0, second row. Now we go, start over again. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0. We start over again. So we put 2 zeros. Then we go 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 6, 0, 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 0, 0. Add them up. We have 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 1, 1 plus 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0 here. Now we do magic number. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the decimal point. Answer is 0.01024. So that's all you have to do for this type of problems, multiplying decimals, numbers with decimals. Thank you very much, students.